Hello students, today we are going to start lecture number 9 on optics. In this lecture, we have studied about the microscope. So, microscope is an instrument used to see objects that are too small for the naked eye. A microscope is an instrument that produces an accurately enlarged image of small objects. The science of investigating small objects using such an instrument is called microscopy. The microscopic means invisible to the eye unless aided by a microscope. So this is about the microscope, and depending on the lens system, we have studied the simple microscope and compound microscope. So in this lecture, we have studied the simple microscope. That is simple microscope. A simple microscope is a microscope that uses only one lens for magnification. So, simple microscope is a microscope that uses only one lens for magnification. Then, a simple microscope is also called as magnifying glass. It is actually a convex lens of small focal length which is used for seeing the magnified image of small object. Then principle of simple microscope. A simple microscope works on the principle that when a tiny object is placed within its focus, a virtual, erect and magnified image of the object is formed at the least distance of distinct vision from the eye held close to this lens. So, let us understand what is the simple microscope. This is the diagram. This is your lens and this is your object AB. Then this object AB, when the object AB is incident on this lens, then it will get a magnified image A dash B dash. Also, this is the same diagram, that is AB is the object when will be incident on this lens, then it will get the magnified image A dash B dash. So beta is this angle, and also here if we consider this triangle ABO, then alpha is the angle, and if we consider this A dash B dash and O, then beta will be the angle. So what is the magnifying power? Expression for magnifying power: the ratio of the visual angle of image to the visual angle object placed at the least distance of distinct vision is called magnifying power. So M is equal to, M is magnifying power. M is equal to visual angle of image divided by visual angle of object placed at the least distance of distinct vision. Therefore, M is equal to beta upon alpha. As the angle alpha and beta are very small. Let us see here, beta and alpha, these angles are very small. So, M is equal to beta upon alpha. Then, therefore, M is equal to tan beta upon tan alpha. M is equal to magnifying power. M is equal to tan beta upon tan alpha. In triangle AOB, tan beta is equal to AB upon OB. Let us see here. in triangle AOB. If we consider the triangle AOB, then tan beta then tan beta is equal to AB upon OB. Let us see here. If we consider the triangle ABO, A dash B dash O, then if we consider the triangle AOB, then the tan beta is equal to AB upon BO, and if we consider the triangle A dash B dash O, then tan beta is equal to A dash B dash upon B dash O. Then tan alpha is equal to A dash B dash upon B dash O. Then what is the formula of M? M is equal to magnifying power is equal to AB upon OB divided by A dash B dash upon B dash O. So consider here M is equal to AB upon OB, and this AB and B dash O upon A dash B dash. We know that A dash B dash is equal to AB. Let us see here. A dash B dash is equal to AB. So put this value here. A dash B dash is equal to AB and BO is equal to D. What is the distance BO? BO is equal to D. This is BO. BO is equal to D. So what will get? Magnification power small m is equal to D upon OB. What is D? D is the least distance of distinct vision. D is the least distance of distinct vision, or m is equal to D upon OB. By sign convention, D will be negative and OB is equal to minus U. OB is equal to minus U. Therefore, magnifying power is equal to minus D minus U. What is U? U is the distance of object from the lens. So negative sign will be cancelled and we get magnifying power small m is equal to D upon U. Also see here, this is the OB. This is your object which is placed in lens, so that the distance OB is nothing but the D, and also here m is equal to D upon U, where U is the distance of object from the lens. Then magnification of simple microscope. Also the magnifying power of a simple microscope is given by small m is equal to 1 plus D upon F. We know that what is D? Where D is the least distance of distinct vision. Least distance of distinct vision, and F is the focal length of the convex lens. F is the focal length of the convex lens. Then it should be noted that the focal length of the convex lens should be small, because smaller the focal length of the lens, greater will be its magnifying power. Also, the maximum magnification of a simple microscope is about 10, which means that the object will appear 10 times larger by using the simple microscope of maximum magnification. So in this case, it is clear that if we place the object, then it will get 10 times larger by using the simple microscope of maximum magnification. Then there are some limiting cases. If near the point D, first point, the minimum distance at which an object can be seen most distinctly without any strain for healthy normal eye, it is nothing but the 25 centimeter. Then simple microscope, magnifying glass. It is a converging lens of small focal length. Case first, when image is formed at the near point. Image is formed at the near point. Then magnification, magnifying power m is equal to 1 plus d by f. 1 plus d by f. We know that d is the minimum distance or minimum distance, and f is the focal length. In the case of when eye is placed behind the lens at a distance a, then we get magnifying power m is equal to 1 plus d minus a upon f. d minus a upon f. And second case, when the image is formed at the infinity, the magnifying power m is equal to d by f. m is equal to d by f. m is equal to d by f. Then last, uses of simple microscope. Following are the important uses of simple microscope. The simple microscope is commonly used by watchmakers to see the magnified view of small parts of a watch. Second, it is also used by the jewelers to see the magnified view of the fine parts of jewelry. Third, the simple microscope is used to see the enlarged image of letters of a book, texture of fibers or threads of a cloth. Next, simple microscope is used to see the magnified view of different particles of different types of soil. Also, it is used by palmists to see enlarged view of the lines of our hand. 6 number, the simple microscope is used by skin specialists to find out the various diseases of skin. To find out the various diseases of skin. And last, it is also used to see the details of stamp and envelope. To details of stamps. So, what is simple microscope? Simple microscope is a magnifying glass that has a double convex lens with a focal length. The example of this kind of instrument includes the hand lens and the reed lens. When an object is kept near the lens, then its principal focus with an image is produced, which is erect and bigger than the original object. So, in this diagram, the figure or the picture, if this picture will see by using the simple microscope, then it will get the image is erect and bigger than the original object. Also, in this case, in this picture also we have seen that there is when we use the simple microscope, then the image or then these letters will be erect and bigger than the original object. So, thank you.